people, so welcome back to the channel, Parchment Fam. So yeah man, today is another day, you know. So day and it just run to mind, so when I'm going a piece of where we do pani daily. So right now I go on a little job, do some work. So I go no piece of with daily still, you know, when we do on a daily basis. Cause a lot of people watch me all the time and they might be curious, like just want to know like what we do sometime, you know, digging a little deeper. So we are going a little view how we do on a daily, you know. Well now we do on a daily, cause my wife she do something else. So we are taking along the little journey here today. We're gonna see what we do on a daily, you know. So right now we're up on the road and I jump on the job you know, you know. Oh yeah, sorry if it's a welcome back to the channel. If it's a regular viewer, we do appreciate you. Thank you for tuning in and sticking with us. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell to get notified when we have new posts on our channel. And we do have a lot of other videos on the channel as well, so you can check those out and get tuned in with the channel, you know. Yeah man, a lot of exciting videos, travel vlogs, food, cooking, challenges, all the little bells and whistles that you can see, except we don't really do pranks and all those things. So that is, we don't have a lot of that on our channel, so basically not surrounded by that. So right, as I say right now, I go on the work and I take on along with me today. I'm gonna see a little bit of what I do. Alright, so we're on the road right now, so just journey with me. Yeah people, so reach my location now, so I go and take out the material and my tool them out of the car and bring them in, you see me I say. So I bring them in and now. Yeah man, see back I truck there. See look, full of tool and all kind of thing you know. So I clean up, take them out, bring inside and start on the work, you know. Yeah man. Yeah people, so just reach inside now and we're gonna see what I deal with right now, you know. So showing around the way I do today. Yeah people, so right now this way I work with the seat. Whole place mash up and mess up, so we have to do a complete rehab on this. You see me? So and them thing we are tear out the whole of them thing here. And this is how we fix up all of them, then paint up the place nice and make it look good, you know. Yeah man, everything I'm gonna go to out here, so go to this and everything. All the top there, so I plaster up them things and make them look nice and thing, you know. So we are fix up all of this and make it look nice, you know. Yeah man. So in bathroom, all them things I tear out and fix up. That's how we fix up all of them things, you know. When we done with this, it will look nice, people. So now we will about it. Yeah, one whole thing we are starting to make it look nice, you know. It's messy, you know. All them place and thing, yeah. You got to tear out the whole of this and replace it, you know. Make it look nice and proper. Alright. So we are take down this next kitchen cupboard here. Have we come down to. So we are take down that right now. Yeah, people, so cut out the wall them, cut it just straight across. So if you go replace the drywall them down here, so plaster up them place and make it look nice. Kitchen cupboard will go up there, so sink and counter will go right back there, so that are the tear down. We don't tear down that. All of these have to go clean up now and go at the dump. So next thing we're gonna work on now, a piece of wall right here, so we'll cut out this and fix it up. This will cut out, as you can see. Pick out a piece of rock board there. So go replace most of them beam there. Take out the ACD and thing and fix up this one, you know. Yes, alright, so now if you cut out the hole there, patch back with drywall, you know. That have to go sort out too. So you don't know this have to cut out, you know. Yeah, so as you can see, we cut it out so we get access to these beams so we can screw on a new piece of drywall, you know. All them places are uneven and things, have to plaster them on nice, make them level and flush. That's how we have to go patch that too. As you can see around the fan, we go fix that up too. Yeah, this have to go start out too. Doorway here. We take out this molding and fix it up. people, so tear out everything. So time now to make we list with the material them and thing. Then we can start blast out, patch out back and everything. So we'll take on the bathroom now, we'll take out this, the vanity and everything, you know. Yeah people, so finish cut out the things them now and tear them and tear out. So that feed there, we just tear out first and then we go get the material them and then we start screw up the drywall, patch out, plaster and replace what we have to replace and all them things there, you know. Clean up the floor, we see garbage them on the floor and everything, so all them have to go pack up and show up. So don't know, wasn't too much today, but longer days ahead we are plaster out and screw up the drywall and set up a place nice, you know. Not gonna see what I go on, man. No worry yourself. So that's it, that's enough with that. I'll make a record for the today. Cause I finish clean up and thing, you know. So dust in my nose, man, if I put on my mask. So if you enjoy the video, give it a like, subscribe. If you don't subscribe yet, just to continue on to see how the progress we are going on the road here and everything, you know. So I cut it off as alright. Peace. Yeah people, so you did say me I leave, but just decide to come and check out some more things. See I do where I have to work on, so cut out a piece, you have to go patch it back, plaster it nice and everything. Whole heap of work they have to do, so if you get material and thing and come back, you know, for the next job tomorrow. So we do most of the cut out and thing today. So it's patching, plastering and everything now. And then we can go ahead and paint them up, you know. So just stay tuned and see what you are going on the little project. And I will love it, you know. Yeah man. So only part time they say we finish, but this time we finish. So I hit the road now, you know. So peace.